How to use the magic brush tool in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select an image from your gallery, or tap the camera icon at the top right to capture a new one. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on the Remove tool, which is the magic brush tool. With the magic brush, you can easily remove unwanted parts of your photo by brushing over them. Use your finger to paint over the areas you want to remove. The tool will automatically detect edges to make removal precise. If you accidentally remove something you want to keep, switch to the restore option and brush over those parts to bring them back. Keep in mind that using this tool requires a premium subscription. Take your time to carefully remove or restore parts until you are satisfied with the result. Once you are happy with the edits, tap the check mark to apply the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to use the magic brush tool in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.